Hello, I'm Dr. Lily Ward, Director of the Ag Technology Conference Center at Fort Valley State University, Fort Valley, Georgia. The center has a historical part that includes a 20th century house built around 1917, and then we augmented with a large conference room. The facility handles many kinds of activities. It's beautiful, it's very serene, and we do our best to just satisfy our customers. We think it's an ideal location because we're located in central Georgia, so everybody can get to us very quickly. We have done weddings, we have done trainings, we do conferences, we do retreats, just about anything anybody would want to have. One of the pieces that we are looking very closely at and very soon, and that's video conferencing. In both our executive conference room, which currently seats around 12 to 15 people, and then in our large conference room where we can accommodate up to about 150, 160, depending on the arrangement. With the economy being as it is right now, people don't have necessarily the travel dollars to go everywhere they want to. But we know via technology we can handle just about anything. We can be anywhere that we want to be. We can meet with anybody we want to face, whether they are in the next county, the next town, the next state, anywhere. So that we think is going to be a real plus for the facility. We can set it up in banquet style with round tables. We can set it up in a classroom style. Sometime for executive meetings, we may have it set up in like a U-shape for smaller groups. So we have a different set of arrangements that we use depending on what the group wants. We have other smaller workrooms. So sometimes, for example, when we have a standing kind of contract, they may break off into smaller groups. So you'll have one group in the large conference room, some are upstairs in the small workroom, some are downstairs in one of the smaller workrooms. Sometimes they're in the sitting area, just having kind of informal discussions, etc. So it's versatile. We also have office space that is available for rent. So sometimes we have people who are passing through, or they are coming into town for just a matter of a few days or maybe a few hours, and they just need work areas. So we do have an office that is dedicated for just that purpose. And we have had people to come in. One gentleman had it for a couple of months. Others have just used it maybe for one day or just for a few hours. Anyone who wants the facility can enjoy it. It is available to everybody. And we do our best to just satisfy our customers. Nonprofit organizations and Fort Valley State employees get a 1/3 reduction on the fee. We also work with our clients too. Occasionally we have people who want to have an activity here and they really can't afford everything, so we try to make it convenient for our clients. We offer the very best customer service you will find anywhere. We are here to serve and to please our customers, and we do everything we can to do just that. And I think our track record will prove that. If you look at our feedback forms, you will see that basically 100% have said that their expectations were met or exceeded, and that they would gladly use the place again. They would recommend it to others to use. They came, they saw, they liked, and they have all of their trainings here. They do all of their meetings here. They do their retreats here. So we think for those reasons, this is the place, along with the fact that it's convenient and it's a beautiful setting. If you're interested in using the facility, you may call us at 478-827-3113. If you wanted to call me directly, you may call me on 478-827-3973. Email me directly at wardl@fvsu.edu, and we will get back to you.